Hello friends, this is Veronica. You know what time it is? It's cafecito time, so stick around for a review of a new capsule from Nespresso. Hello everyone, my name is Veronica and welcome to House of Sid, where I make videos about coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, and everything from the wonderful world of coffee. And today I'm back with a coffee review. So if you saw my last little video I made, I took a little break, things going on, it was hectic, busy. So the videos took a little backseat, but I'm back and hopefully back on track to making my weekly videos on Wednesdays and Sundays. And today I'm going to share a new capsule that Nespresso released, and it is a Gran Lungo for the Vertuo machine called Inizio. So I'm looking at my computer over here to get the information. It is new. It was just released earlier this month of September. It is a 5.07 fluid ounces or 150 milliliters, intensity 4. And it says aromatic profile is fruity and cereal. Aromatic notes is floral toasted cereal, which is some of my favorite, the cereal notes. Let's see what it says. Why we love it. Inizio is the helping hand easing you into your everyday. Okay, I like that. The velvety smooth body of this Ethiopian and Kenyan Arabica blend comes with a warmth and strength from its rich toasted cereal note, which, like I say, is one of my favorites, and wild florals that give you that laid-back Sunday feeling. Ooh, I like that description. It's not super strong intensity. It's only 4. It's only a 4, but this is what the box looks like. Simple, basic. It has a name there. The color, I'm assuming, is going to be an orangey color. Let's open it up. Yep, orange color, which reminds me of the Giorno. No, was that the one? Yeah, Giorno. So that one's going away. You saw my community post, Nespresso discontinued some of the capsules, so you might still be able to buy them online or at the boutiques, but pretty soon they're going to be gone completely. So this is a Gran Lungo. Let's give it a try. I like the color, and just the same, it has the name on the back. It says recycle. It has the size of it. That's the color. Pretty for the fall. Let's give it a try. And this is $1 a capsule, so $10 for the box, which is about the price. Okay, so this is a Lungo. I'm going to use my Lungo cups. And let's see. It doesn't give you a whole lot of other information besides the notes of rich toasted notes with floral. Doesn't give you anything about tasting, about how to drink it. So we're just going to give it a try and see what we like. And these capsules are made from 85% recycled aluminum, which is something that Nespresso likes to emphasize, the recycling program. I'm smelling the cereal notes. Yeah, I don't know why. It seems like a lot of the cereal notes in a lot of the coffees have cereal notes in them. And I really, really like them. Ooh. So this is supposed to be a Lungo cup, and I don't know if it's going to be too much. Ooh, you guys, look at that. It is right to the top. Ooh. So, I think these cups are best suited for the original Lungos, not the virtual Lungos. So let me get another cup. Lots of crema. Smells really good. Making a mess, because you know that's what House of Sid is good for and known for, making a mess. Okay, so there we go. Doesn't look too dark, but doesn't look too light. As always, good amount of crema with the Vertuo. I definitely smell toasted notes. Not taste, but let's see what it tastes like. Oh. Okay, so on some coffees, it's just cereal notes. This one is toasted cereal notes. So the toasted, you could taste that flavor, like the roast, almost like when you smoke meat or food, you taste the smokiness of it. You taste the toastedness of this coffee. I don't know. Am I explaining that right? Am I making any sense? But it's good. Okay, so you drink it, and the first note you get is the toasted cereal, and then the after note, the aftertaste is the floral, which is not too strong because I know some people don't really like the floral. Wild floral that gives you a laid back Sunday feel. Okay, so the floral note is not too strong. It's just kind of subtle, but you do get it like after, not right away, like an aftertaste. Okay, pretty good. Let's try it with some creamer. And I'm finally using my little Lavazza creamer that I did in my little haul the other day. So let's see. Just gonna pour a little bit of creamer in here to see if that changes the flavor. Oh yeah, the creamer changes the flavor. And I'm just using half and half. I'm not using anything flavored or anything fancy. Okay, so toasted cereal notes are the first ones you taste. Then the aftertaste is the floral. But when I added the half and half into here, the floral flavor, the floral notes kind of like go away. So I don't even taste it anymore. That's interesting. Yeah, I think this one's pretty good. I like it. It's something I will definitely buy again. For a while, I wasn't really buying the Gran Lungos from Nespresso, but I'm starting to like them. I'm starting to enjoy them more because sometimes in the mornings, I'll make my regular cup of coffee, 8 ounces of coffee, and sometimes that's not enough, but I don't want another full cup, so I've been reaching for the Gran Lungos. It's like just enough. Or sometimes if I'm going to work, I want to fill up my tumbler, so I make 2 Lungos instead of 1 regular coffee cup, and that seems to work out really, really good. You guys, this one's good. I like it. I think it does give you like that cozy feeling. It's not too strong, but not too light, I think. Even though it says it's a 4, it doesn't taste super light to me. But again, this is just my opinion. This is just my flavor palette. Give it a try. I think it's a good addition. I know, let's see, they don't have very, very many Lungos on the website for, let's see, that's those Gran Lungos. So there's only 4 Gran Lungos on the website, and Inizio is the 4th one besides Furtado, Arandio, Decaffeinato, and Ontuso. Oh, and the Master Origins Costa Rica is also Gran Lungo. So now you have another choice. Inizio. Give it a try. I like it. If you enjoy the cereal notes in coffee, I think you will like this one. Add your creamer to it, milk, and yeah, just good. It's not like wow, amazing. Didn't wow me, to be honest with you, but I think it is good to have another option, especially for those that don't like super dark, strong coffees. I think you'll like this one. Give it a try. It's good. That's all I have for you today. Make sure if you want to enter my fall giveaway, I found these new Starbucks reusable cups for fall. I bought 3 of these, so 3 winners. Leave your comment on this video, and in your comment add giveaway Vertuo if you want to win this with some Vertuo capsules. Giveaway original if you want to win one of these cups with some original capsules. And for those who do not have Nespresso, I don't want to leave you guys out of this giveaway. So enter giveaway Starbucks. You'll get the cup with a Starbucks gift card and a little bonus ring for coffee bell that I found that I thought was super cute. You'll get the little bell. You'll get the cup and either Vertuo, original, or Starbucks gift card. Hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Make sure you leave a comment if you want to enter the giveaway. Enter giveaway with the one you want to win. I'll leave all the instructions in the description. I got to get back into the swing of making videos. I'll leave all the information in the description, and you'll just have to comment on all my videos for the month of September. And at the end of the month, I will select 3 winners randomly and contact you and send you your prize. That's it. Hope you're having a wonderful month. Hope you have a wonderful fall. And yeah, don't forget to like our videos with a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next week.